Now you will learn how to pass the purchase bill entry and sales bill entry in Tally. To pass the purchase and sales bill entry in Tally, from Gateway of Tally, go to Accounting Vouchers. Press F9 to invoke the purchase voucher mode. In the supplier invoice number box, you have to give the bill number, say 500. In the party's account name, you have to select the name of the party, say Capital Electronics. Order number not applicable, not applicable. Purchase ledger will be purchase account. Name of the item, say calculator. Challan number, tracking number not applicable. Order number not applicable. Go down, say shop 2. Suppose quantity is 20, rate is 600. So amount will automatically come, that is 12,000. Now in the narration, you can write the narration, say being the goods purchased from Capital Electronics on credit, and save it. Now let's see how to pass the sales entry. To pass the sales entry, again from Gateway of Tally, go to Accounting Vouchers. Now we have to press F8 to invoke the sales voucher mode. So F8. Here in the reference box, you have to give the sale bill number, say 600. Again in the party's account name, you have to select the party, say Bashu Electronics. Delivery note not applicable. Order number, enter. Sales ledger will be sales account. It should come under sales account. Inventory values are affected will be yes, and save it. Name of the item, say calculator. Tracking number not applicable. Go down is shop 2. Now suppose company has sold 50 pieces calculator at 700. So quantity will be 50 and rate will be 700. Amount will automatically come, that is 35,000. And here you can write the narration, that is being the goods sold to Bashu Electronics on credit, and save it. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you very much.